Welcome. I am Amanda Baker, licensed clinical therapist and yoga instructor. You are about to embark on a guided meditation Find a comfortable, easy seat, or you're welcome to lie down. Take any minor adjustments to become even more comfortable. Take a deep, cleansing breath. Hold at the top of your head and exhale out. And request your mind to inform your brain to send the signals to your body to become even more relaxed, to soften, to loosen, to be. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice the muscles of your brain. Start to move your attention down into the muscles in and around your eyes. Notice your ears, your inner ears, down through your jaw, your lips, your teeth, your tongue. Gently press your tongue to the top of your mouth. Loosen as you bring your attention down into your throat. Stimulate the back of your throat with your breath. Notice each shoulder, down into your right arm, hand, your left arm and hand, fingertips and palms. Come back up into your chest, your heart, ribs and lungs, all the way down into the lower stomach. Notice your hips and the muscles around your hips, down into your right leg, left leg, both legs together, into your right foot and left foot, both feet together, tips of your toes, light, airy, a gentle vibration and stimulation of your whole body. You are pure, positive energy. Deepen in your breath, your inhales to expand and your exhales to contract. Follow the sound of my voice with your own awareness and observation. The effects are already working. Something wonderful is occurring right now. Experience it fully through every single sense and begin to go deeper and deeper into self, even more relaxed, a greater version of you. For 10, start to open. 9, begin to feel it. 8, use your breath. 7, moving even closer. 6, experience the vibration. 5, of your own unique essence. 4, even more love. 3, double in the excitement. 2, you're almost there. 1 step into it. 0, it's done. Claim it. Deeply and completely united with you and your pure, positive energy. Stay with your breath and move to the center of your heart and allow any visualizations, any guided messages, anything that you need to know, ask it. Ask your higher self, what do I need to know right now? And who must I become in order to receive my deepest heart's desire? All you need to experience is this moment right now. And breathing, sensing and perceiving the trillions and trillions of cells in your body expanding and contracting, restoring and repairing, replicating in you a healthier level of body and mind. Now take all that you experienced and absorbed in you, bring it up in your full sensory experience on the subatomic level. Release anything that no longer serves you. View it neutrally. 90 seconds, and you are more whole. 1, fully feel it. 2, open up. 3, use your breath. 4, even greater. 5, doubling in your energy. 6, walking closer. 7, 8, 9, feel it fully. 10, and it is done. Slowly stay with your breath. You are welcome to stay here for as long as you'd like. You're welcome to wiggle fingers and toes. Move your eyes and open your eyelids if they were closed. Deep sense of appreciation for you and your system and all that it does for you. Thank you so much for showing up for yourself and practicing with me. Namaste.